In this video, I'll show you how to change your language inside the Revolut app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up my web browser here and I'm at the help section inside Revolut. So to change the language of the Revolut app, so the Revolut app is set to the same language as your device by default, so take note of that, but you can change it with these steps below. So for Android mobile device users, you'll need to change the language your device is set to, and the Revolut app should then update to the same language. So I'll demonstrate this. I'll get out of that and I'll click into settings, and then from here I'm going to search for language. Click on language here, general management, and as you can see, the language here is set to English Australia. But if you want to change the language, click on add language and then choose the language you would like to change it to, and then this will change your whole system or whole Android's language to that particular language. So for example, when I change it to say Filipino, I'll click Filipino and then I'll get out and then open up Revolut, and then the Revolut app will be in Filipino. And if we scroll down, so Apple devices are exactly the same. So go to your settings, scroll down, select the Revolut app, tap language, choose your preferred language from there. And here's a list of all the supported languages. So currently the Revolut app can be used in the following languages: Brazilian, Portuguese, etc., etc.